Hey guys, it's D here, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the iOS 14 beta 1. So recently I also posted a video on the features, on the quick features and the best features iOS 14 has. So you can go ahead and watch that video also. So let's get started. So guys, before you install iOS 14 beta 1, I would recommend you to back up your iPhone to your iTunes immediately. Now once you're done with your backups and you're ready to install, follow these steps and you will get the iOS 14 beta release. So let's get started. So guys, first thing you need to do is enroll your iOS device. So what you have to do is go to Safari and then search for iOS beta program. So once you search iOS beta program, there will be the first option, Apple beta software program. This is the official Apple website. So once you're into this website, scroll a little bit down and once you have signed into your account, you need to scroll down and you will find get started and just click on enroll your iOS device. So once you have enrolled your iOS device, you will be successfully enrolled once you have signed into the iCloud account. So once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to exit the site and you're going to go to the site that I have linked in the description, which is betaprofiles.com. So go to betaprofiles.com and you will find the latest beta profile for iOS 14 and you're gonna find iOS iPadOS 14. So once you're here, you're just gonna click on download. So once you click on download, it's gonna download the profile. You can see here, guys, you need to use Safari. Do not use Google Chrome or any other browser. Use Safari only, then it'll download. So once it has been downloaded, all you have to do is go to settings and you will find on the top list the profile has been downloaded. Click on the profile download and you're going to find here iOS 14 beta software profile. So this is the verified Apple profile, iOS 14 Apple profile. You can just go ahead and install the profile. So here you're going to find this and just click on install and click install. Now the profile will be installed successfully and just click on done. So once you're done with that, you're going to go to software update and it's going to check for updates. Voila, you can see here that the iOS 14 developer beta is now available for your iPhone. All you have to do is just click on download and install and the iOS 14 will be downloaded and installed successfully. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope this video helps. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you loved it, do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Peace.